Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about top 5 current affairs of August month which will be helpful for us for cracking any competitive exams. In this revision course series, we will discuss each month current affairs. We will take top 5 to top 10 current affairs and we will discuss precisely about the content which will helpful for us for cracking any competitive exam. So be with this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start from the first question. Indian Navy undertook which bilateral exercise 2021 with UAE Navy? About bilateral exercise, questions are oftenly asked in competitive exams. So you must know about the bilateral exercise. The correct option is Jayat Talwar. Let us discuss some important facts about this question. INS Kochi with two integral Sea King Mk-42B helicopters deployed in the Persian Gulf participated in the exercise. UAE participated with UAESAL Dafra, a Benuna class guided missile corvette and one AS-565B Panther helicopter. Now the question is, who has unveiled a portal and mobile application named PM Daksh? About mobile applications and portals, questions also come. The correct option is option B. The Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Dr. Birendra Kumar. Let us discuss some important facts. The PM Daksh stands for Pradhan Mantri Dakshata or Kusalta Sampann Hitgrahi Yojana. The portal can be accessed at stp.pmdaksh.dosge.gov.in. The portal aims to make the skill development schemes accessible to the target groups. Government of India approves how many years extension for Rekha Sharma as chairperson of National Commission for Women? The correct option is option C, 3 years. Let us discuss some important facts. The 57-year-old Sharma first assumed the charge as chairperson of NCW on August 7, 2018. Rekha Sharma has been associated with the commission as a member since August 2015. India secured which rank in the Tokyo Olympics 2020? These rankings are also very important. The correct option is option A, 48th. Let us discuss some important facts about the question. India finished 48th with 7 medals, 1 gold, 2 silver, 4 bronze. The number of medals are also very important. Tokyo 2020 has been the most successful Olympic Games in India's history. This is also a very important point. USA secured first rank with a total of 113 medals, 39 gold, 41 silvers and 33 bronze, followed by China and Japan. The top 3 rankers name also we should know. The event held from 23rd July to 8th August 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. ICC plans to bid for cricket's inclusion in which edition of Olympic Games? This is very interesting and important question as well. Now, cricket will be included in Olympic Games. The correct option is 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. From 2028 Los Angeles Olympics, the cricket will be included in Olympic Games. Let us discuss some important facts. The International Cricket Council has formed a working group to push for cricket's inclusion in Olympic with the Los Angeles edition in 2028. According to an ICC statement, England and Wales Cricket Board Chair Ian Batmore will chair the ICC Olympic Working Group. This working group is very important. About working group also questions may come. This working group is consisted of 5 members. The members of this working group are Indra Nooyi, ICC Independent Director, Zimbabwe Cricket Chief Tavangwa Mukhlani, ICC Associate Member Director Mahindra Balipuram, and USA Cricket Chair Parag Marathe will be a part of the 5 members group. If you want to get more such video, please like, share and subscribe.